Hello, Safety John here with AIM Transportation Solutions, and welcome to this week's Safety Bulletin. If you remember, last week we talked about the upcoming CVSA Brake Safety Week. Well, guess what? It has arrived and it is here. So let's talk about a few of the items that were mentioned last week, but we're going to follow up again this week. How about brake drums? Want to make sure they're not cracked or broken. Brake rotors, make sure there's no cracks in the rotor, in addition to excessive rust on the rotor. Next, brake chambers. Make sure they're mounted securely, listening for any audible air leaks out of the chamber. Also, brake linings. We want to see at least a quarter of an inch of minimum lining on the brake lining and no oil and grease contamination. And lastly, let's look at the rubbing and chafing airlines. We want to make sure there's no cuts and tears, and we'll be listening for any audible air leaks that could happen. So, driver managers, dispatchers, when you talk to your drivers, reinforce the fact that they need to do that pre-trip, post-trip, en route inspection to have a safe day as they travel.